My name is Richard Teller, founder of Qwids. I would like to do a short presentation of the Qwids service for you, followed by a demonstration of how it works. So let's start with the problems Qwids tries to solve. Advertising is a continual problem online with a lot of disingenuous ads and pop-ups preventing people from viewing the content they wish to. Copycat content, a lot of content around the internet is copied from other sources. A lot of it is quantity over quality. Ad blocking software is on the increase, with recent studies showing downloads are increasing amongst all ages and demographics. Shareability. A lot of brands are pushing out content on their social networks, but they're not getting the engagement from the audiences they would like. Qwids provides a solution to these problems by allowing brands to collaborate with their audience to create content for online distribution. This is achieved when a brand publishes mission-based campaigns using the Qwids service. A mission-based campaign is simply a way for brands to ask their audiences to create content. Each time an individual completes a mission, the brand is able to say thank you by sending them some Qwids. You can think of Qwids as reward points. Users are then able to collect their Qwids, spend them with the brand, or exchange them with other users on the Qwids platform. For this particular demonstration, we are using a brand from the fashion industry. Here the brand has already created their Qwids. They're calling them jeans. They created some 100,000. They're also able to share their public profile from here, which looks a little something like this, and carries all their current missions and their current offers, and a little bit of information about where they are. So when a brand comes into Qwids, the first thing they do is to create some offers. Here you can see I've created a couple of examples here. Tickets to Stockholm Fashion Week are worth 500 jeans, and a little bit of information about how to claim those tickets. And we recommend populating the offers page with varying degrees of valued rewards. The next step is for a brand to start creating missions. Here I've created a Twitter mission and an Instagram mission, and you can see here the Instagram mission is head to the coast, take a snap of you and your friends jumping wearing your Elvis jeans, post to Instagram to earn 1,000 Qwids. And they also ask you to paste the following information and hashtags into your post. And here we can see one person has already done the mission, and a brand can monitor. We have 5 accepted missions with 1 completed, who had a total following of 151. Up top here we're able to see that there is no enrollment limits. That means that as many people can do this as the brand would like. You can put a cap on missions so that only a certain amount of people can do them. You can also create private missions. This mission is not private, as it says false here. And let's take a quick look at the Twitter mission. Exactly the same rules. We've had 5 people accept this, with 3 completing it with an accumulated reach of 672. And this was simply sharing the location information of a new store that they were opening in Stockholm. Here we see there's been a number of people do that mission already. I'm going to go ahead and publish the Instagram mission using these buttons here. In this case we'll publish it to Facebook, and I'm going to put it on the Qwids app brand page, and that's now been published to my audience on Facebook. So let's head over to the user side and see how the audience pick up the mission. So here we're back on the Facebook Qwids app page, where I posted the mission just recently from the Elvis brand, and that should show up here. And here we are able to see, okay, Qwids mission, jump up, let's have a little look-see at that. And that takes us through to the Qwids wallet, where we're able to get a bit more information on what's involved to complete this mission. Now I'm already enrolled on this mission. I've already accepted it, but I haven't completed it yet. I have the option to cancel the mission, or I can go through to my dashboard, where I'm able to see the missions that I'm already enrolled on under live missions. So I'm going to go ahead and complete that mission which I've enrolled on already. and the mission is to connect my Instagram account, which is already connected, and use the hashtags. I'll take this bit of text here, head over to Instagram. Here we can see I have an image already. Apply a filter, copy and paste the relevant information into the text field, and hit share. So that's the mission completed. Now let's head back to my Qwids wallet to see if I've been credited for that. Back to the dashboard, and here we can see 1000 jeans are now in my wallet. And I'm going to go ahead and have a look what I can get for those. Got a couple of offers here, a pair of jeans or some tickets. It looks like I have enough for the tickets to Stockholm Fashion Week. It's a bit of information about how I can claim them. I'll go ahead and purchase those. I receive a redemption code which I am then able to show when I go to the event, or I go to their website and punch the code in. I head back to the offers page. Under purchases, you can see I've made a few purchases here and the relevant codes. So let's head back to the brand side. So back on the brand side, we're able to see a few people have done this mission, and someone has made a purchase to the Stockholm Fashion Week. So let's head back over to the mission and see in a little bit more detail what content was created. So now here we see a couple more people have done the mission, and together they have reached 280 viewers, and we're able to see that 5 have accepted it and 3 have completed it. Especially impressed with this image that this user created, so I'd like to send that person some extra quids, and I'll send them an extra 15 for doing such a great job. And if I go over to my purchases, I can see there has been another purchase now of the tickets to Stockholm Fashion Week, and when that user comes and presents this code to me as a brand, I will hit this button here and redeem the reward for that user. And that concludes our presentation for a fashion brand.